Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So that's basically 4 days where we've had more than 1% gain. Well, I suppose three. This wasn't a 1% gain; it was just a wild swing. But the important thing is that we did close above the previous day's high. So close above the previous day high, close above the previous day high, close above the previous day high, close above the previous day high. So watching this with interest right now. So I do have this level drawn in here, but there is another level that we need to pay attention to, which is pretty much where price is right now. It's a swing high here. Okay, so I'm expecting us to move back to the upside. To be honest, this is the area that we're looking for, which is 28,931. And if that breaks, then the all-time high is next. And if we just get down to the 3-hour, so at the moment you can see on the 3-hour that trend is very clear to the upside. There's no debate about that right now. We had a test there, and we've had a test, so there's 2 tests on the trend line, well, on the moving average, and we are moving up. This does look like a bit of a flag at the moment. Okay, we've got congestion to the left. If you look at that, that's more than likely what's holding us up. So I'm looking for pullbacks, and the first pullback is where we are now, 28,218. Second pullback would be this area of 28,045, and obviously 2,800 being a round number. So those are the levels that we're paying attention to at the moment. So if you look at the hour, okay, we've got a mini trend line break here. So there's your trend line. If I draw it in, you can see there we've got a bit of a trend line break, and we're reversing. I'm not going to pay much attention to that at the moment. What I'm going to pay attention to is my inside bars, and I'm going to add one more right there. Okay, so there's my inside tails. Okay, that was an attempt to test that break there. It didn't materialize. You've got your moving average here as well. So 28,124 is another area to be watching. Okay, so I'm looking for opportunities to buy. I'm looking for pullbacks, and I'm looking to buy those pullbacks. If I don't get pullbacks into the structure, then what I'm looking for is breakouts, and I'll take the breakouts on the 15. And you can see at the moment this is going pretty much sideways. So I'd be looking to break back to levels, and at the moment that's the first one. This one's not complete yet. This bar must finish, and then you can move your breakout down to this area here. But right now I'm looking for a break and retest of 28,372 to be long again. There's a bit of a gap here as well. Or alternatively, I'm looking first to find support on 28,218, and that would be trigger along to the upside. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Short and sweet, nothing else really to talk about, just sticking with the trend and carry on moving to the upside with the trend until we get into these previous highs up here. That's where you would expect some profit taking, and then we'll have to wait and see what transpires there. Okay, anyway guys, short and sweet today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.